Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2015, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Stock number on this Chevy is 7151A. Welcome to your virtual video walk around. We're going to show you this truck as you're looking right now, up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Those get boring. Doesn't really show me anything. Well, hopefully this video will give you a better impression of this vehicle. There's the tonneau covering, 4x4 edition, of course. So we'll make our way around to the rear. Does have the tow package. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life at no cost to you at Sunset Ford. On qualifying vehicles, let's take a look at the interior. Absolutely impeccable. No rips, no tears, no stains. Peace of mind driving. Power options, easy control as far as touch, easy touch finger access. You know this truck is not going to last long, so for any information on this truck or any other trucks we have in our inventory, call us, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We look forward to shaking your hand and earning your business, and get ready to save. I do like this truck. I might go for a drive right now. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day and take care.